Over the last 24 hours, we identified 531 new cases of COVID-19 and completed about 10,200 tests. Our positivity rate was about 5.4%. There are currently active alerts or outbreaks in 245 schools. Of these, 3 schools had 10 or more COVID cases who attended in the last 14 days while infectious. We continue to see a slow and steady decline in hospitalizations, and there are currently 779 people in hospital, including 185 in the ICU. Sadly, I must announce that 12 new deaths were reported to Alberta Health in the last 24 hours. I extend my condolences to those mourning the passing of these people and to anyone who has recently lost someone they cared about, no matter the cause. You are not alone, and there are supports to help you during this difficult time. While we are still dealing with the 4th wave, there are joyful moments in our lives. I know that Halloween is a favorite time of year for many young and young-at-heart Albertans. As we head into the weekend and trick-or-treaters put the final touches on their costumes, I ask everyone to follow these basic measures to celebrate safely. First, if you are feeling even slightly unwell, you need to stay at home and you should not hand out candy. As disappointing as it may be to miss out, staying home when we have symptoms, even minor ones, is extremely important. If you are going trick-or-treating, only go with members of your household. Be sure to wear a non-medical mask and sanitize your hands often. If you're handing out candy, please look for ways to limit contact with others. That may mean setting treats out outside, spaced apart for contactless pickup, or using tongs to hand them out while wearing a mask. If you're planning to gather with anyone outside your household, you're legally required to follow the private social gathering restrictions that are in place. This means no indoor private social gatherings for adults who are not fully immunized, and indoor gatherings for those who are fully immunized are limited to up to 10 people with no more than 2 households. If you're gathering in person, holding it outdoors is the lower risk option. Just be sure there are no more than 20 people in attendance and that there is 2 meters of distancing between members of different households. These simple precautions can be very effective at limiting the spread of COVID-19 if we all do our part. We've shown they work time and time again. Let's make good choices to ensure there's no Halloween spike in 2 weeks from now.